ChatGPT is everywhere, and if you don't know anything about AI or some way to learn something like a new language with ChatGPT, you are crazy. First, I'd like to ask you, leave your comments, share this video, please, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, okay? Could be a simple action to help YouTube hand over this video to more people, okay? Here we go. Do you remember a couple years ago, some people asking a joke to Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, and any joke wasn't really funny? Hasn't changed. Let's check. Let's see how ChatGPT can change your world today and everything around you. If you think AI is in the future, you wrong. The people use this chat for a variety of purposes, such as asking questions, seeking information or advice, or having conversations. You dig? If you're studying English but be ashamed to do a conversation to real people, you can use that chat to train. You can practice by typing sentences or asking questions in English or your native English, and it will respond in English or any language you desire. You can also ask it to explain English grammar rules or provide examples of English vocabulary words. Additionally, you can use it to practice your reading comprehension by asking to summarize passages of text in English. Some people may use it for entertainment, while others may use it for educational or professional reasons. It could be used as customer service, personal assistant, and other applications that require natural language understanding and generation capabilities. Are infinite possibilities to you using a ChatGPT, but you can also ask for a joke, and we'll do it right now. A couple years ago, we used it ask for a joke to Alexa, Siri, and Google, but any joke wasn't really fun, like I said a few minutes ago. Always were short jokes and never had been sent to me. So I'd like to show you the ChatGPT telling a joke, and I will show my reaction, okay? Let's see the website. Is this the website? So you can see in the left side some questions already done by me, but here everything happens. Let's get it started. Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke. Just tell me. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. It's not so funny. It's not funny. It's horrible. Let's try again. Tell me another. Tell me another joke. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired. Too tired. uh, a little bit funny. Tell me Uh, math joke. Why was the math book sad? Because it has too many problems. Okay, it's it's funny. It's funny. It's funny. Let's see one more time. Tell me a short joke. Why don't science trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. I can't understand what happened here. You could understand. You can understand it if you understood. Please leave your comment below and explain me what happened here. Okay? I have understood that AI like ChatGPT has great potential to resolve everything. You can ask it everything and you will have an answer, but jokes isn't your thing. Maybe opportunity to you create and make a lot of money. So guys, you can notice AI still has no sense of humor. Let's wait for the next generation. Okay? Bye bye.